Welcome to another NQ replay with She Sees Profit, where I break down this week's price action for NQ. It's been a while. Let's see what happened in the market. As expected, NQ reached the D extension on the Daily Fib, which was the long-term bias we've had since August 23rd, so we anticipated a retracement. When you've taken time to analyze the market, trust your analysis. On Tuesday, the market opened with a huge gap. You may be wondering how to trade gaps. One way is a little-known tool called the Gann Box. Often price creates gaps in the market which eventually will be filled. However, price only needs to fill 50% of the gap to be considered filled. We simply plot the Gann Box from the beginning to the end of the gap and set our TP for the 50% and 100% levels. And as we can see, price came back and smashed both TP levels. Trading doesn't have to be complicated. You just have to prep for the move before the move. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.